traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves up for most likely what I think is going to be an expanding flat wave C. I think it will likely go up and take out these previous highs. But this is the monthly time frame, so this is probably going to take it maybe even up to a year or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think these 5 waves up over here is the wave 1. I think this is a big running flat wave 2 right here. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C, definitely looks like a running flat. Then we have another 5 waves up, so I think this is the wave 3 already. So a wave 1 of wave 3, WXY wave 2 of wave 3. And yes, there definitely will be pullbacks along the way, but if this really is a wave 3, then it definitely will continue to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low on this weekly time frame in this wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely did just recently break a high, so at some point I think it probably will make some sort of a pullback, probably retest that high right here. That top possibly could become a bottom maybe before it actually does keep on trending up. But like I was just explaining, I think we're in a wave 3 and I see lots and lots of upside potential for this wave 3 still. So I definitely am still looking for longs in an uptrend on sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, really this thing has been making higher highs, higher lows. The last main structure level is actually way down here, which I think is a 1 and a 2. We are most likely in a subdivision wave 3 right now. So the wave 3 is not even over yet, so likely a wave 3 will go to at least a 161.8. Then maybe at that point it'll make a more significant pullback for a wave 4, then another push up for a wave 5. It doesn't have to stop at the 161.8. That's usually just a minimum target for a wave 3. It can often go a lot further than that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I began my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up on the 1 hour time frame. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down. Boy, it looks like it's already trying to end another correction. 1, 2, 3 waves down, Fibonacci bounces. Be a little bit cautious because it does kind of seem to me like it could possibly go down and make a little bit of a deeper correction. This could be a little bit of a bull trap. But I mean, really, as long as it follows through and as long as it doesn't go down and break this high rate, this low rate here, the 100% level, I definitely would still be doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of 3-way pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. Don't want to be fighting this wave 3 trend, and I definitely think we're in a wave 3 on the very high time phase, so the trend is definitely a friend, and that really, really applies when you're talking about a wave 3 trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.